Ahoy parents, are you looking to book a Disney cruise for your kids aged 3 to 17 years old but aren't sure what youth activities are available for different age groups? In this video, I'll take you on an all-access tour of the award-winning Oceaneer Club, Edge Club and Vibe Club. Disney Cruise Line's kids clubs packed with non-stop magical fun from sunup to sundown. As Disney cruise specialists, we know how important it is to give your kids an unforgettable experience whilst at sea, whilst also giving parents peace of mind and opportunities from a night away from the kids. That's why Disney youth clubs are especially designed not only for different interests, but also developmental stages filled with games, entertainment, arts, science, character interactions, and much more. We'll guide you through details on each club tailor-made for each age range. From high-tech gaming lounges for teens to Andy's room from Toy Story, so that you can start planning the most thrilling and amazing family cruise ever. The Oceaneer Club is for ages 3 to 12 years old. The vibrant Oceaneer Club is a playground for kids aged 3 to 12, filled with spaces and activities themed around beloved Disney and Pixar, Star Wars, and also Marvel characters. Step inside the rooms modeled just for kids, where playtime springs to life through costumes, crafts, hands-on science, and meet and greets with their favourite characters too. Oceaneer Club spaces feature larger-than-life areas that place kids right in the magical lands and storybook settings from Disney. Enter Andy's room from Toy Story to enjoy one of the coolest playrooms I've ever seen, or they can venture into an enchanted garden with a pixie dust swamp straight from Neverland. Disney magic also comes to life via costumes and props. Counselor-led themed parties and dances and storytelling sessions that let the kids' imaginations soar. Arts and crafts and games galore. Disney understands that kids have short attention spans and seek to ignite their creativity through hands-on experiences and interactions. For 3 to 5-year-olds, there's arts and craft tables to design Lightning McQueen race cars or princess crowns. Older kids from 6 to 9 years old have a special stage full of costumes and lights and sounds put on their own Disney performances. Tweens aged 10 to 12 years old have access to the super cool science lab with hands-on experiments they can build themselves. There are also detective missions as well that they can solve around the ship. With so many games, kids don't know what to expect in the adventure to do next. Disney counselors provide extra security by giving kids personalized navigator bands, which they show to get access to the doors. This ensures kids are always independent, whilst also the parents knowing exactly where they are as well. Bigger kids means bigger activities. Tweens aged 11 to 14 will find their new favorite hangout at the high-tech Edge Club, with programming tailored just for their interests. From counselor-led gaming tournaments, chill-out spaces just designed for them. On the Disney Dream, Edge is located up in one of the funnels, giving the kids an amazing view. Lounge spaces at the Edge Club feature cozy seating arrangements with digital screens and windows looking out to the ocean. Plus, you can also find some of their favourite entertainment options in one centralised spot too. Chill out and listen to the latest music, catch up on the Disney shows and movies that they might have missed at home, or just play some video games. Disney always brings friendly competitions, so the Edge Club delivers gaming fun for multiple player tournaments such as PlayStations and Nintendo Switch. They can battle other cruisers in games such as Just Dance or Mario Kart. There's amazing late night activities such as glow parties, karaoke nights, game show events, and so much more just for Edge Club members. Sometimes they also partner up with Vibe as well, which is the club for teens as well. The sleek Vibe Club caters for teens from 14 to 17 years old and is their ultimate hangout spot at sea. Centered around social spaces with cozy seating, large screens, and an outdoor patio under the stars, Vibe allows older kids independence to forge friendships while parents enjoy nighttime entertainment across the ship. Vibe spaces capture what teens want most on holiday, chilling with new friends in Instagram-worthy settings while surrounded by great music and entertainment. Lounge zones have comfy modular seating perfect to gather whilst listening to the latest songs and catching up on movies too. Gaming stations means that teens can challenge their fellow cruise pals to Just Dance or whatever the latest new games are. Out on the patio deck, teens can soak up the sun and relax too. It's a brilliant area. I wish I could go in there. Lounge Club offers exclusive high-energy teen events such as dances under the stars and game show nights with prizes too, DJ parties on the patio, and so much more. Remember, there are open houses as well, so anyone can actually go and use these facilities at certain times as well, including adults. And that does mean that you can go to the Vibe Lounge. It does also mean you can go and play on those computer games, and it also means you can go to Andy's Playroom as well, which is super cool. Just check the Navigator app to find out when these open houses are going on. Disney Cruise Line's kids clubs offer amazing youth activities guided by expert counselors to create unforgettable events and memories from your day at sea. From hands-on events and playing for preschoolers to high-tech lounges for teens, there's spaces and events for everyone. Plus, it's great that parents also know that their kids are going to be well looked after. And with clubs open from as early as 7:30 in the morning to as late as 1 a.m, parents can enjoy extended daytime fun without having to worry about the kids. Just don't be surprised if by the end of your cruise, your kids have formed lifelong friends and don't want to actually get off the ship or even actually want to come and see you because they're having too much fun in the kids club. When only the best holiday will do for your family, turn to the magic of Disney Cruise Line. With kids clubs designed to ignite imagination, forge bonds and friendship, and unlock even more fun for all kids of all ages, Disney is the cruise line to go to. Start planning your Disney cruise by getting in touch with us. Just use the links in the show notes below and we'll be really happy to help start your Disney cruise adventure. For now, have a magical day.